name's Tim Jones, and I was construction industry with plant hire, aggregate supply, muck away, and anything else in construction itself. The specific issue itself that I faced before contacting Insolvency Law was I was hit with a £70,000 county court judgment order from a bank, and I then contacted Insolvency Law just to try and find a way around it. I found about Insolvency Law through Google. I literally searched for county court judgment assistance or help, and Insolvency Law one of the first ones that came up. I did actually ring another company first, but they didn't get back to me, so I then rang Insolvency Law. Yeah, I got straight through to someone. They referred me straight to Peter himself, and from the moment I started dealing with him, he was very clear, he was very calming. He's obviously come across a lot of these situations over the years, and you just felt at ease with everything he was saying. It was good advice. It was extremely professional. The service itself, extremely professional, very thorough, covered every point, even the points I hadn't raised myself. I was getting given advice that I would never even thought of at the time. I definitely believe Insolvency Law with more value for money. Having dealt with law firms over the past, they charge a lot per hour, whereas Insolvency Law gave me a price to begin with. From the very moment I started dealing with Peter, he said to me, this is your price, this goes from start to finish, this covers every bit of documentation going from start to finish, and it doesn't matter how many times it goes back and forward. I think my feelings before I contacted Insolvency Law was certainly fear for myself, fear for my family, fear for the knock-on effect of what it was actually going to cause in general to me. Could I even get over this hurdle? I think my feelings when I started dealing with Insolvency Law was it made me feel much more confident and comfortable with the situation. As bad as it was, I felt I was never out of control, and Insolvency Law were always doing what they could. I felt they were on my side from start to finish. Everything we had at first was done via phone. So Peter would ring me each time he'd had a conversation with the relevant party involved. He would ring me, he would then email me and copy me into every bit of correspondence that he had received. Everything I was then answering him, he would come back to me personally and say, "Ben, this is what I'm going to do, here we go." Then he would copy me into the correspondence itself, and so I was never out of the loop at any stage.